Hello guys, welcome back to Philbeck TV. It's another video and today we are in the kitchen. So today I'm going to prepare something special, a popular request by Nessa Kusia. So today I'm going to do spring rolls and I'm so sorry that this video has kept long. I was trying to find a perfect time to shoot it for you. So today you have it. And also guys, you can check out Cooking with Efia. She's one of our subscribers. Anything local dish, anything like you can even think about cooking, check her channel out. Don't forget to also check out Ness Akosia on her YouTube channel and subscribe. Let's grow together. So guys, for my filling, I'll use vegetables and a touch of some protein. So I have here cabbage, my spring onion, my carrots, green pepper, onion, and some seasoning, and then some canned beef for the beef. You can leave that out, it's optional, however you want it. You can do it either beef or vegetables, but menu me so I'm blending it. So guys, now I've finished prepping my veggies. I'm going to get it ready by stir frying it a little. So let's dive into it. So in a frying pan, we add a little oil. So guys, I won't stir it up for too much because I still want my vegetable crunchy. So I'll add the rest of my ingredients, stir for some few minutes, and then take it off the fire. So I'm adding the canned beef. We'll add my seasoning. So guys, after turning off the heat, I'll now add my spring onion because I don't want it too cooked at all. And then you mix it up. So now guys, my filling is ready. Let's move on to the dough. Now to the dough, you have your flour. I'm using soft flour, and then you add a pinch of salt. You mix it together. You add your water little by little because you don't want it too soft, you don't want it too hard. But if you overmix it too soft, you can add a little flour. If it's too hard, you can add a little water. Okay guys, so if you've watched to this point, I don't see why you are not subscribing to our channel. So hit on that subscription button if you are new to this channel. And to our returning viewers, we say we love you. Comment, like, and share. This is Philbeck TV. After mixing everything together, you need it for some few minutes to get a smooth dough with a smooth consistency. So like I'm doing. In a heated pan, you smear your dough in this fashion. You have to be careful. You should do this on a medium heat. You try to cover any place you think is light or there are holes in there. And then you wait for it to cook. So you take it out and you keep it in between tissue or napkins because it has to be moist. Yeah. So guys, after finishing my wrap, I'll fill it and then seal it with this mixture. This is a flour and water mixture. So here we go. And this is how you fold it. You roll over once and then you fold the sides in and then you roll over again. Be folding the sides in whilst you roll over like this, so that you get the perfect shape of the spring rolls you've always been seeing outside. So you use the flour and water mixture just to seal it like this so it doesn't unwrap. So guys, this is your spring roll ready for frying. This is the last process, that's the frying. So my oil has been heating up and it's very hot, so you put your spring rolls in carefully. So guys, can you hear how crispy? Ow. Yes, inside is so juicy. Can you hear it? Wow.